So guys, this is my room is luxurious. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And if you see my face for the first time, my name is O.G.E the Explorer and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. So guys, I have finally showed you guys or I'm about to show you guys the beauty of this house because this house is out of this world. Like, you need to see the beauty of this house, the architecture, the interior decoration, the I don't know, the finishing. I don't know if my video is going to be able to capture the beauty of this paradise. Like, the lightning is, you don't even need any other kind of lightning. Like, the lightning is so natural. Like, I don't know, I'm going to stay here. I'm going to stay here for as long as I want to stay because this house is giving me, is giving, in fact, is giving me this chills. Like, right now my kids are really having fun outside. I don't even know if they're ready to even leave because we've been here since like the early hours. Like, for a while, we've been here for a while and we've been having fun, like fun. I don't know. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what this house looks like. The number of rooms, the exterior environment of this house or the exterior of this building. And you guys, my dear, just stay tuned and look at this video because I guess I'm going to be showing you guys something interesting, like many things I've not seen before. Yes, call me village woman. I don't care. Many things I've not seen before. I'm seeing it here for the first time. Like the lightning, when you turn on the lights, there's this sound that comes on with it. Like, it gives you this welcome vibe. You turn it off, you turn it on, it gives you this welcome vibe. Like, I don't get it. I just, everything about this house is just technology. I don't know, but it's really, really a home to be in. Like, once you're inside, I don't think you need to go outside. Like, everything is just there at your disposal. Oh my God, money is good. Who tell me say money no good? Money is good though. Okay, so guys, let's see how this paradise looks like. Okay, ciao. So guys, this is basically I know you guys will be wondering whose house this belongs to. Actually, it's my friend's house. Not my house actually. It's actually a friend, a sister from another mother. Like, anything that belongs to her belongs to me too. Like, she's my sister from another mother. So this is like my house too. I come here to even lounge too. So this is, I don't know, I just showed you the washroom and this is actually the rooms downstairs. This is for this is a visitor's room. It's not equipped yet, but it will soon be equipped, and that's it. So this is another room for the visitor, and there's something about this house. Like, everything in this house is just cozy. Like, and there's a lot of space. I don't know. I don't know if you guys heard what I just heard. Like, you guys should just listen. Just chill. Just chill. It's like when you press the light, it's, I don't know, there's something that comes on. It makes a sound. Ha! Enokwa. Hey! Okay now. So that's that for that. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is so spacious. I don't think I really got a very clear or wide view of this kitchen. Like, there's a center table and the spaces. That's what really excites me about this kitchen. And this is the storeroom. Have you ever seen a storeroom this big? This is literally where you keep all your items, your rice, your everything. Like, this is her oven, her mixers, and all this. These are, in short, I've never seen a big store like this. Like, I don't get it. This space is a lot to handle. So this is me leaving the storeroom and going back to the corridor that leads to the parlor. This actually leads to the parlor from the inside. I didn't come from the outside actually. So this is the parlor. It leads to the parlor. Lekwan. They just lekwa. Lekwanu. Ah, money is good, shall see chair. Like, I sat down on this chair. I didn't want to get up. But the chair is very, very beautiful. The POP and everything. It's just a simple, classy environment. No clustering everywhere. Just something very simple. And that's the kind of thing me I like. I like simplicity when it comes to where you're staying, how you dress, literally everything. So actually, this is actually a small sit out, or will I say it's a small parlor before you get into the bigger parlor. And I actually had to turn on the lights because it was a bit dark. And this is it. This is what it looks like. So when you come in from that side, you get into the bigger parlor or sitting room rather. And voila, this is what you see. And that's the small parlor. It's still big, but that's just the welcome parlor. So this is me going upstairs. That's under the staircase. This is me going upstairs. Did I tell you guys I have a tour guide, like a tourist guide rather? Don't worry, you soon see her. So guys, this is me going upstairs and going to the upper chambers. So look at her there. Showing me around. She's literally showing me around like, oh my. So this is the parlor again. There's like a sitting room for the kids here upstairs, and see how big it is. My kids are having fun. My kids, they're not ready to leave this place. They weren't ready to leave this place, especially my son. She was really having fun. Look at him. So guys, this is what it looks like. This, when you come out from that sitting room, you get to see another door that leads you to the reading room. It's not actually equipped yet, so very soon to be equipped. Okay, that leads outside, but I didn't go there because it was actually locked. And this is a private section for the family. Like, this is where you have the rooms, the kids' rooms, the master's bedroom, and everything. Like, I don't know, this house is so massive. Like, it's massive, a lot of space. There's something about you living in a place that has a lot of space. Like, it's very, very conducive. So that's the children's room, and this is the children's room again. It's not equipped yet. This is supposed to be the boys' room, but yo. So you guys need to see this video. Like, you need to see this room. Let me start from here first. Ah, you wanna try? This is ah, this is the cupboard. It's even the lightning itself that's even wow. Like I don't even need lightning. Like ah. So guys, I just decided to change my position because I guess I wasn't too okay there. But man, this house, whoever did the architect's work of this house is amazing. Like the house, the security doors, everything. In short, I need to show you guys the outside too. The outside is wow. Right now, my kids are playing outside and they're having fun. I'm not even sure they're ready to leave this house today because they are so excited. Even when I was telling them I was coming down here, and they were like, they were so excited right from on our way down to this place, and it's wow. Like you need to see this. This apartment is like you're staying in a hotel. I can't explain it. I really can't explain it. So this is me just having fun and eating because I had to just go and chop. I cannot come to this house and I won't eat food, not snacks or food. And if you know me very well, you know I like Indomie a lot. Like I had to like cook it myself because of course it's my. You on this thing, I beg. On it again. No, no. Is this on? That is road on. Then you still press that place to road left and right. Left. Here. Hey, you people should call me a village woman. Oh. I don't care. I don't care. Come and see. Please, what do you call this one? Ventilator? What do you call it? Air vent. Hey, Inukwa.
And the O.G.E in me won't let me be. If you know me, I love junk too, but I try to control it. So guys, this is me just feeling myself. So if you are new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And returning subscribers, thank you for staying tuned. Bye.